Have you ever wondered what happens when one of the world's fastest luxury SUVs gets transformed by one of the most outrageous tuning companies on the planet? Well, that's exactly what the 26 MANSORY Audi RS Q8 delivers. It takes Audi's already incredible high-performance SUV and pushes it into an entirely different league with aggressive styling, premium craftsmanship, and even more breathtaking performance. Whether you love exotic UVs or simply appreciate automotive engineering at its finest, this machine demands attention from every angle. The first thing you'll notice is the dramatic exterior makeover. MANSORY has completely reimagined the RS Q8 with an extensive carbon fiber body kit that makes the SUV look wider, lower, and significantly more aggressive. The redesigned front bumper features larger air intakes, a bold splitter, and signature carbon fiber accents that immediately separate it from the standard model. The hood is also crafted from exposed forged carbon fiber, giving the SUV a race-inspired appearance while reducing weight. Moving toward the side profile, you'll find muscular fender extensions that give the RS Q8 an even more commanding stance. Massive lightweight forged wheels measuring up to 24 inches perfectly fill the enlarged wheel arches. The side skirts have been reshaped for improved aerodynamics, while carbon fiber mirror caps and custom trim pieces add extra visual drama. Around the back, the transformation continues with a redesigned diffuser, quad, exhaust outlets, an aggressive roof spoiler, and a larger rear wing that gives this luxury SUV an unmistakable supercar personality. Every detail has been designed to ensure the MANSORY RS Q8 stands out wherever it goes. Step inside, and the cabin becomes a showcase of handcrafted luxury. Nearly every surface can be customized according to the owner's preferences. Premium leather Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, polished aluminum, and contrast stitching create an interior that feels both luxurious and exclusive. MANSORY offers countless personalization options, allowing buyers to select unique color combinations that perfectly match their individual style. The seats feature custom embroidery and premium quilting, while the steering wheel receives a sportier design with carbon fiber inserts and a thicker grip for a more engaging driving experience. Even the dashboard, center console, and door panels are wrapped in premium materials that elevate the cabin far beyond the already impressive factory Audi interior. Ambient lighting and modern digital displays maintain the RS Q8's cutting-edge technology while blending seamlessly with MANSORY's bespoke craftsmanship. Under the hood is where things become truly exciting. The standard Audi RS Q8 is already one of the quickest SUVs in the world, but MANSORY pushes its performance even further. The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine receives extensive tuning, including upgraded engine management software and performance enhancements that increase output to well over 900 horsepower in some configurations. Torque also climbs dramatically, delivering explosive acceleration that rivals many modern supercars. Power is sent through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction in virtually any driving condition. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers lightning, fast gear changes, while the adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated to handle the additional performance without sacrificing everyday comfort. Despite its size and luxury focus, the MANSORY RS Q8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs money can buy. The upgraded exhaust system not only improves performance, but also unleashes a deeper, more aggressive soundtrack that perfectly matches the SUV's intimidating appearance. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring the RS Q8 remains composed even during high-speed driving. Of course, exclusivity comes at a premium. While the standard Audi RS Q8 already carries a luxury price tag, the 2026 MANSORY version enters an entirely different category. Depending on the level of customization options and performance upgrades selected, pricing can easily exceed $400,000, with fully bespoke examples climbing significantly higher. Every vehicle is individually built, making each one a unique expression of its owner's personality. The 2026 MANSORY Audi RS Q8 isn't designed for buyers seeking subtlety. It's built for enthusiasts who want maximum performance, extreme luxury, and unmistakable road presence, all wrapped into one extraordinary package. It proves that even one of Audi's finest performance SUVs can become something even more exclusive, more powerful, and far more unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd choose the MANSORY RS Q8 over a Lamborghini Urus or any other high-performance luxury SUV.